My name's Luke. I'm the franchisee for Dream Doors, Croydon and Bromley, and I started in 2021. Part of the reason my business is so successful now is that I've been able to employ some more people to get me a bit more out of the business so I can spend more time working on the business instead of in the business, and then that's enabled things to work a lot more effectively and help the business to grow. Before I joined Dream Doors, I was a project manager in the public sector working for Network Rail. And I kind of grew up with a family business, so I was familiar with business. I'd always been interested to start a business or take over a business or join a business or something like that. And I heard about Dream Doors, and I'd been kind of reading the newsletter and keeping an eye on things. And the owner of my local Dream Doors franchise was retiring, put the business up for sale, and that seemed to me like the opportunity to buy him out and take the opportunity to step into an established business, and Dream Doors as a franchise was a great opportunity to start my own business, but with some support and some experience along the way. Yeah, the training was really important because I was kind of familiar with business, but I learned how to run this business and how the model works to sell effectively and how to work in the kitchen industry. I have no kitchen experience, so being trained in how do kitchen doors work and how do kitchens work and how do you sell a kitchen, how do you measure a kitchen, how do you find kitchen fitters, that was all completely essential to me to be able to be successful as a franchisee. Being part of the franchise network and having a BDM is really helpful, and probably the best things I learned are being part of the network and talking to neighbouring franchisees and going to the training events or the peer-to-peer workshops and speaking to other business owners in the same industry doing it the same way and learning little bits from other people in the network, as well as the support of the BDM. It is really important and really helpful to me to kind of find those little things to help the business succeed. When I was looking at buying the franchise, I had a business plan set out by Alex, and that showed what profits I could make in the first year, second year, third year, and I've been lucky enough that I beat my targets in the first year and second and third, and I've grown on kind of exponentially, and yeah, it's really exceeded my expectations.